Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to know word count in Google Sheets. So in order to find out the word count in this cell, I will have to click right here and type equals counter, now brackets, and split. Now brackets again, and type here the C5, so in my case it is C5 cell, so that's why I type C5. And now you will have to insert a space, so insert space, and then simply type false, and then close these brackets. Now you should see the letter count, so let's say word count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And as you can see, it is 9 right here. It is really simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.